Welcome back to Product Critique, where we explore the best gifts and gadgets to make your moments special. Today, we're checking out what might just be the best Funny Valentine's gift out there, the mini-sign Valentine's decoration by Velenti. It's a small but mighty gesture of love, perfect for anyone who wants to say, "I love you," in a sweet, creative, and slightly cheeky way. Now, at first glance, this mini sign looks simple, but that's what makes it so charming. It's designed with a romantic theme and comes in a vivid red color that instantly stands out wherever you place it. The message on the front says, "A little sign to say I love you," making it both direct and heartwarming. It's compact, so you can set it up on a desk, shelf, bedside table, or even mount it on the wall, and it'll quietly spread its charm every time your partner sees it. The brand Velenti has crafted this sign with a balance of humor and emotion. The idea is to bring a smile while reminding your special someone how much they mean to you. Whether you're celebrating Valentine's Day, an anniversary, a birthday, or even just want to add something thoughtful to a Christmas gift, this sign fits perfectly into any romantic occasion. It's also a fun and affordable way to make your partner's day without going overboard on an expensive gesture. Now, let's talk build quality. The sign is made from durable plastic, so it's light but sturdy. The pop-up design gives it a realistic and playful 3D look, adding a little extra character compared to a flat decorative piece. It's the kind of gift that feels personal but doesn't take itself too seriously. That balance makes it an ideal present for both men and women, for your girlfriend, boyfriend, wife, or fiancé. It's a small gesture that delivers big emotional value. Another thing to note is that each piece comes verified through Amazon's transparency program, meaning every item has a unique code that's checked before shipping. So you're not just getting something adorable, you're getting something authentic. Imagine setting this up next to a bouquet of flowers, on a breakfast tray, or as part of a surprise gift basket. It's one of those thoughtful details that really ties a romantic moment together. And because it's so versatile, it works beyond Valentine's Day. It's a sweet reminder of love all year long. So, is this worth it? Absolutely. If you're someone who wants to express love in a way that's both fun and meaningful, this Velenti mini sign is a perfect pick. It captures that mix of humor, warmth, and sincerity, making it more than just decor. It's a daily reminder of affection, delivered in the simplest form. That wraps up today's review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this look at the mini sign Valentine's decoration, make sure to like the video. Subscribe for more honest gift reviews, and share this with someone who might need the perfect Valentine's Day idea. Thanks for watching, and remember, sometimes, the best gifts are the little ones that say it all.